I'll guide you through sending money from Remitly to another Remitly account without searching for a non-existent internal wallet address, experiencing transaction rejections, or getting your profile flagged for suspicious activity. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. Because the Remitly app does not allow users to warehouse a cash balance or transfer funds peer-to-peer using an internal username or email address, attempting to execute a direct app-to-app transfer will fail completely. Here is how to achieve the same result. Open the latest Remitly mobile app on your device or sign into your profile at remitly.com using a desktop web browser. Tap the prominent Send Money button located directly on your primary user interface dashboard. Select the destination country of your recipient from the available global tracking list. Input your exact desired transfer amount to calculate the real-time foreign currency valuation. Select your preferred delivery speed by choosing between the free multi-day economy processing option or the rapid express payment path. Skip any option attempting to link to another Remitly profile and choose the recipient's external bank deposit account, verified mobile money wallet, or local cash pickup storefront location instead. Enter your recipient's full legal name precisely as it appears on their official government identification card to bypass immediate institutional clearing holds. Input your personal debit card details or link your traditional bank account data to fund the outward remittance request. Review the transparent fee calculation summary carefully and tap the final confirmation button to dispatch the funds to their traditional financial endpoint. If you have any queries or input, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.